Hi everybody. I was just sitting here on a Saturday morning, shooting a couple emails out to some team members who were up bright and early, and just kind of reflecting on this last few weeks, and especially this week. Just it's incredible, the extraordinary perseverance, ingenuity of our team members, and many of the people that we work with, our customers who've been very adaptive to this new environment to continue their projects. Our partners, the freight forwarders, the steel fabricators, everybody has just figured out a way to make business work for their customers and for their team members. And I think it's extraordinary. And I think it really sends a good message that, especially for a lot of business owners that are wondering right now, how do I handle this new normal? How do I handle this current situation? What I would tell you and what I've witnessed at Allied is you need to ask your team. They're incredibly smart. They're resilient, they're brilliant people, and they will figure out a way to get through this for you, for your company, for their teammates, and of course for your customers.